Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A06. To enter the recovery mode, we have to turn off the phone. If it can't turn off, we will force restart, holding down at the same time the volume down button and the power button. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the phone restarts. Now press power button and volume up. When Samsung logo appear on the screen, you can let go power button. In recovery mode, press the volume keys to navigate in the menu and the power key to validate. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button. Select Factory Data Reset and press power button. All data is deleted including code, passwords and pattern, but hard reset don't delete Google account. If there was a Google account on your phone when you first set up your phone, you'll need to enter your previous Google account. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot. Thanks again and have a nice day.